Hi, this is Prof. Laura. Welcome to week 2. I'm here to walk you through the week 2 module and then see how to access the discussion board and journal that are due both this week. So I am in the week 2 module looking under preparation, learning objectives. We're learning to interpret numerical measures of center, how to identify the shape of a distribution and how it determines the measure of center, and comprehending the empirical rule and how to calculate that. So you'll be reading chapter 3. There are slides associated with that here available in the learning materials. And my stat lab, there are 20 questions this week. Journal 1 is under the journal tab, and discussion board is also here under the tab. So let's look first at the journal tab. Linking myself into that. And journal 1 is for you to really tell me your thoughts on how comfortable you are now that we are in week 2. You've had a chance to look at the, complete the assignment for week 1 and now look at the materials for week 2. Are you feeling comfortable? What have you learned that you might be able to apply in your daily life or your career when you interact with others? And for you to think about that, I'd highly encourage you to look at the discussion board first. It gives us kind of a real-life example of how statistics can be managed, or in this case, mismanaged. So before you fill out the journal, maybe fill that out at the end of the week, but you go to the discussion board. And discussion board 1 here is for week 2. This is all about averages. So think about the word average. There are various terms that could be used to mean the word average. So think about that when you're looking at this. And the assignment, we're looking, say that I am a property manager and I'm in real estate. You want to take a look at what type of properties you might want to purchase in an area. So I tell you that the average income in the area you're looking for is about $52,250. So you think, okay, must be a nice area. The incomes are relatively high. So you decide to purchase the house. Then you go to a town meeting, and I'm at that town meeting, and they ask me to talk about the area, and I say that the average income for the area is $22,000. So the tax base should be lowered. So I have, in one way, just a couple months ago, told you that the average income is $52,000, and now, just a few months later, I'm saying that the average income is $22,000. So how could that be? Was I lying to you? How might I be misusing statistics for my own good? So take a look at that and respond. Your first response, you won't be able to see other people's posts. So you're kind of flying on your own. Think about what you've learned and try to address it. You don't have to answer perfectly the first time. Answer with what you're thinking. And then once you post, you'll be able to see the other students' posts and be able to communicate with each other, ask questions to each other, talk about what you liked about what other people said, or maybe what you don't understand and you'd like them to elaborate. So that's the value of the discussion board. This has a rubric associated with it. You'll see that in the discussion board, and it is worth 10 points. So you'll increase your points as you're communicating with each other. I should have mentioned that the journal is worth 15 points. I would tell you that the journals are the easiest points you'll earn in this class, really just telling me your thoughts on how you feel about things. So anyway, looking forward to reading your journals and seeing the discussion board. And if you have any questions, as always, please feel free to contact me. Thank you.